These students need the same love and care as everybody else. And knowing that without people like us providing that for them, who would do it?
I hope Heartwood continues to grow, and I hope Heartwood continues to have more and more visibility. I think visibility on our students with severe needs is incredibly important.
Center-based programs provide a space where these kids feel like they belong. And I think that's important both for the student, I think it's important for the family, and I found that the staff here, they are willing to do anything for you to help your child be successful.
This place exists, these students exist, and they deserve just as much as you and I and everybody else in the community.